Blink XT camera mounts. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. If you're a Blink XT camera owner, I'm sure you have been frustrated with the camera mount that it comes with. It's not as durable and can easily break. These are aftermarket camera mounts for your Blink XT cameras. You can pick this up online starting at $17 for the 1-pack and $36 for the 3-pack. I have a link in the description below. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. This is the 3-pack bundle. Inside it comes with mounting screws, the screws and tool for the camera housing, the wall mount, and the camera housing. This has a height and angle adjustment and is water and dust resistant. The installation is simple, as you just have to insert the camera in the housing and attach the supplied screws. There is also a hole if you decide to run external power source. If you're a Blink owner, I'm sure you're familiar with the existing mounts that it comes with and how fragile it can get. I've seen the plastic pieces break off, and many wish that there were other options for mounting. This mounting unit is plastic construction all around. The housing separates into two and you just insert the camera. The mount is held into place by 3 screws. You can adjust this in various angles with the ball joint. Installing it is fairly simple. Just separate the 2 pieces and install the camera inside. Then, with the supplied tool, you can install the screws. The camera is secured well inside, and nothing gets blocked from the front, so functionality will remain the same. There is also a hood on the top. The optional power source can be ran through this hole on the bottom. And once the mount is installed, it's very solid. The Blink XT wall-mounted bracket. A great option for those that are looking for a sturdy mount solution for their XT cameras. This mount will ensure that your cameras are secured on a solid mount and you have the flexibility of various adjustments. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unbox. Take care everyone.